Today, the Mexican Fiesta is in your backyard.
Today, we are going full throttle. I'm putting my new age outdoor kitchen to the ultimate test. We are smoking and grilling with Mexican bold flavors. I'm talking smoked salsa verde, roasted chili shrimp tacos, chicken tacos, my take on some Mexican butter smothered street corn.
Now we're gonna get this Mexican backyard party started with a smoked salsa verde.
All you need is some fresh tomatillos, a few peppers, garlic, and some salt.
Now always remember, when you're smoking, it should not choke, it should kiss. And I'm able to do that on my new age platinum Kamado grill. Now good food is all about layers of flavor, and when you're in the backyard, it is no different. So for the last hour and a half, I have been soaking some fresh corn in a beer and water mixture, cleaned them up, and now what we're gonna do is smoke them.
This 22-inch Kamado is compact enough to fit anywhere, but it is big enough to feed the crowd.
Now for the base of our taco, we're gonna make a fresh slaw. Not only does combining the two colors make it nice visually, but it has a nice texture as well. Now we got about 30 minutes or so left before we start pulling everything off the smoker. In the meantime, we're gonna start making our shrimp skewers. Now I've already pre-marinated these shrimp in a little garlic and spices, of course, beforehand, and let them marinate for about an hour and a half. So in the meantime, let's go ahead and add these to the skewers.
Now skewers make grilling shrimp a breeze. You get control, you get even heat, and there's no slipping through the grates, and it's easy to flip.
Now we're about 90 minutes in and we're ready to take it off the smoker. All right, now that these are done, the first thing we want to do is take these peppers and get the skin off of it. Now you got your skin off and we're ready to blend and turn this into the salsa. Shake it off, and let me tell you, look at that. You always got to taste it, make sure it's good. Wow. Wrap this up, set this to the side, and let's get on with our chicken tacos. The salsa verde is already blended up and is chilling on the side. The shrimp tacos, you know they coming, but we also got some chicken tacos, which are gonna be delicious. We got them pre-marinated, and now we're gonna go ahead and sear them on the grill.
Now this 40-inch powerhouse gets straight to business when it comes to searing and heat. I'm talking 634 square inches of cooking space. You could cook 35 burgers at once. Sear burner, flame tamers to reduce flare-ups. I'm talking serious durability.
All right, now we're gonna take this chicken and I'm gonna move it up to the warming rack, because the last thing I wanna cook is the shrimp, because you know they don't take a lot of time and you do not want no rubbery shrimp.
The elevated warming rack is a game changer. I love that you can move finished items out of direct heat and keep them hot and ready for serving. And I love that I can do everything outside. The burners give you a true kitchen level of control outdoors, and it makes everything easy.
All right, now we're about to get this Mexican party started. We got the corn ready to go. The chicken is sitting on the side holding the juice together. And the last thing we got to do before we build these tacos for you and me is we got to put the shrimp on and let them cook for a little bit. All right, now we can get this chicken cut up. Beautiful color and grill marks on that chicken right there. When that knife cut through that chicken like butter. Man, I'm gonna take and put this chicken in there on the grill and let it stay warm until I'm ready to serve it up. Now the shrimp are ready. We're getting ready to build these tacos. And you top it off with a little of that cotija cheese and crumble it really nice across the top, and I think we all got something beautiful. And now you take that salsa verde and you put some chips up there for everybody. Now, if you were ever in doubt on what could go down in the backyard, I just put two titans together. I bet you never thought about you can do this in your backyard. What I prepare here is unbelievable. Matter of fact, it's almost too pretty for me to eat. My new age setup is the ultimate powerhouse of total cooking. And I'm blown away that I was able to do this. Look, I know I said it was too pretty to eat, but I have been waiting all day to try this smoked salsa verde. Wow. Shout out to New Age.